Cutting with precision and accuracy takes years of experience. Every project depends on accurate cutting. The mat trimmer is designed to help you precisely shape and file straight or curved surfaces quickly and efficiently. The mat trimmer helps you create the basic structure of a ring model with precision. The basic shape dictates the accuracy of the entire design. Preparing a perfect blank structure helps you carve an excellent wax model. The trimmer also adjusts to different angles for cutting grooves and channels in tapered or cylindrical shanks. The mat trimmer kit consists of the trimmer, the ring template, a rotary file, a hexagon key, the trimmer table, 3 kinds of sample wax blanks, and the owner's manual. Additional items you will find useful are a large flat wax file, a scribe, a small ruler, a mat miter box, a mat ring sizer, and correction fluid or liquid layout. The parts of the trimmer are the mounting bracket, the short arm, the long arm, the socket set screw, and the table. The mat trimmer comes with the 2 adjustable arms already attached to the mounting bracket. The mat trimmer works with your flexible shaft and a 1-inch diameter handpiece. Your trimmer kit includes the rotary file. This file has a specially engineered slant to discharge the cuttings as you turn. Before trimming with the new rotary file, break in the rotary file by lightly touching it on a piece of wood. This will remove any presence of burr that could produce an irregular finish on carving wax. To begin trimming, first attach the table to the mat trimmer. Slide it through the hole in the short arm and tighten the socket set screw. Pass the handpiece through the mounting bracket just up to the handpiece chuck key. Tighten the bracket screws lightly at first. Attach the rotary file to your handpiece. This file is specially designed to give the wax piece a smooth surface without clogging. Swing the table close to the file. Use a square ruler or the edge of the template to make sure that the table and the rotary file are at a 90-degree angle. To test the table angle, place a wax blank onto the table and start cutting. Then flip the wax blank around and touch it against the file. If you see a mark with even straight walls, the angle is right. If you see a mark that is wider at the top or bottom, the table has a slant. Correct the angle by loosening and retightening the table socket until the angle is 90 degrees. Now the trimmer is ready for a project. First, let's review the importance of creating the basic shape with precision. It is extremely important to start with a basic shape that is well made because the basic shape dictates the accuracy of the entire design. Every cut you make becomes an essential element in the structure of your ring design. The center line and lateral lines that you scribe onto the basic shape are your point of reference during the entire modeling process. As you work systematically from the blank to the finished model, you open up the various planes of the design. Any inaccuracy in the basic shape will only be magnified as you work. Creating a precise rendition of a ring's shape depends on the accurate filing of the blank. The mat trimmer is the key to preparing a perfect blank structure. With this tool, you cut perfectly symmetrical shanks with consistent wall thickness. When you create the basic structure with precision, you have a better ring. Plus, you save time by taking away wax quickly while keeping the accuracy you need to carve an excellent wax model. The best way to develop your skill with the mat trimmer and the template is to experiment with simple exercises. The template is a valuable part of your mat trimmer kit. The mat ring template will assist you in accurately transferring the ring shape onto wax. The template eliminates the time-consuming job of drawing the outlines of the rings with dividers. The different cutouts include ring shapes for both men and women. With 18 different ring shapes, the template helps you avoid the problems that can arise from drawing freehand. The shapes on the template have built-in shank guides and center lines to help you scribe accurately. First, we'll create a basic shape like this, starting with the mat ring template. Begin with working drawings of your design or use sketches showing the accurate dimensions of the ring. You will refer to these measurements as you work. Choose the matte wax tube that is appropriate for the job. Green wax is strong, rigid yet resilient, and is excellent for intricate work. Blue wax is more flexible but still strong. Now, Take a look at the template. Choose the shape that is closest to the contour of the ring you are making. Then choose the wax ring tube shape that is closest to the ring shape you need. Next, cut a wax blank from the ring tube. Before cutting, check the drawing to measure the thickness of the ring design and allow for an excess of 2 millimeters. For this ring, the design is 8 millimeters, so we cut a 10 millimeter wax blank. The matte miter box helps you make a nice clean cut with perfectly straight parallel walls. Cut on the outside of the line. File both sides of the wax blank to a smooth surface. Now, use the template to transfer the ring shape onto the wax. For this demonstration, we choose shape number 3. Place this shape over the wax blank. The template must lie flat on the surface. To keep it level, provide even support on the 4 corners of the template. With a tracer, scribe the shape onto the wax. Keep the tracer perpendicular to the template. Be sure the template does not shift as you work. Go over the shape 2 or 3 times to be sure it is properly engraved. The template helps you maintain perfect symmetry as you transfer the design. With this tool, you mark the guidelines that dictate the whole modeling process. The shank guide helps you draw the contour of the shank with accuracy. Next, spread a little bit of correction fluid or liquid layout over the lines. Wipe off the excess and gently file the surface so that the lines are clearly visible. The wax blank is ready to trim.